The organizational management practice areas deal with basically the domain of your product line manager, your product line champion. So these are all the big ticket items. We're going to look at a subset that deals with the whole launching and institutionalization of product lines within an organization. This one is actually the practice area that orchestrates all the other practice areas. So the way to launch and institutionalize is to follow through on all the other practice areas. But because how you do it is so important and has such an effect on the organization, we've broken it out as a separate practice area in its own right and have some example practices for how you would go about this. We will also look at making the structuring decision for an organization, coming up with a business case, and paying for the whole effort. So these are the concerns of your product line manager, or if you don't have an identified product line manager right now, your product line steering group. People in charge with the authority to make the necessary decisions about funding and structure and so on. People at the right level in the organization to make things happen. This is the complete list of organizational management practice areas. So in addition to the business case, the funding and the structure, we have things like the market analysis, the concept of operations for a product line organization, risk management and planning at the organizational level, technology forecasting and training. Also managing the customer interface. So a lot of high-level strategic areas of concern that would not be the direct concern of the people working at the level of core asset development and product development. This is why you need to have a product line champion and people at this level in the organization taking care of these kinds of practices.